Hello, this is Enrique with Russell Tree Experts. In today's video, we're going to go over how to get rid of aphids on your tree. We're going to go over 4 different methods. The first method that we'll discuss but not show today is with ladybugs. Ladybugs love to eat aphids, so if you have aphids on your tree, you can just buy a box of ladybugs and then release them onto your tree or near the aphids, and that will be a natural way of controlling the aphid population on your tree and in the general vicinity. Method 2 of how to get rid of aphids is with a garden hose. This can work for aphids that are young or in smaller quantities, and I usually recommend this before resorting to chemicals or a plant healthcare company, since a lot of people have a garden hose laying around. Essentially, all you need to do is change it to the jet setting and then spray the top side and underside of the affected leaves. Method 3 of how to get rid of aphids is by using neem oil or an insecticidal soap. There's a variety of ways that they can come in, such as a concentrate, an oil, or a ready-to-use spray. And each of them have their own best use cases, best practices, and different ways of how to apply them. In this case, for this video, we're going to be using Captain Jack's insecticidal super soap. We're not sponsored by them. This is just something that we like to use that we have had good results with. So before we begin, I'm going to make sure I have the proper PPE on. That includes safety glasses, gloves, a long sleeve shirt, and some type of face covering. And so that way I can minimize my contact and risk to the chemical. So now I'll just go ahead and follow the instructions on the bottle. This one is pretty easy since it's a ready-to-use spray. All it says is just to shake the bottle well and then spray each leaf thoroughly on the top and bottom side of each affected leaf. Method number 4 of how to get rid of aphids is to hire an ISA certified arborist. At Russell Tree Experts, we use bifenthrin delivered through a spray hose and apply it directly to the foliage to kill the aphids. This typically works within 24 hours and even has a long-lasting effect for up to 1 to 3 months, so that way the aphids don't come back within that time window. In my opinion, this is a great option if you have multiple trees, tall trees, or a larger aphid infestation, and this can be a better option compared to using the jet feature on a garden hose or using a ready-to-use spray. And so that's 4 different ways of how to treat aphids. Now that we went over those, let's go over a little quick Aphid 101. So firstly, what are aphids? Aphids look like this. Aphids are soft-bodied insects that feed on your tree by sucking the nutrients out from its leaves. Typically, they are super tiny and can be found on the underside of leaves as opposed to the top side. They commonly show up by hopping from plant to plant or by wind with their small wings. Aphids can be attracted to your tree for a variety of reasons, such as thriving new growth, fruits, or vegetables. They also often target newly fertilized trees, as the increased chlorophyll in the tree is like an all-you-can-eat buffet to them. So why are aphids bad? Well, their population can get out of control fast. They can reproduce both sexually and asexually. One single aphid can produce 50 to 100 nymph offspring every 20 to 30 days throughout the entire growing season. If you do the math, that leads to over 1 million single aphids if they're left untreated. Untreated aphids could lead to stunted growth, yellowed leaves, misshaped or curled leaves, and honeydew deposits that could result in black sooty mold. So, if you have aphids on your tree, I do have some good news. I would classify them as an annoyance rather than a catastrophic pest. As you saw earlier in this video, there's 4 different ways you can manage them, and they're relatively easy due to their soft bodies compared to other pests. And also, they don't come back every single year. So just because you have aphids this year doesn't necessarily mean that they'll show up this year or even the next year. They come and go in different waves. And that's about it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new today.